Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Steam application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, from your PC, right-click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. Now, within the Settings page, go ahead and click on Apps and then go into Installed Apps. This will now show you all of the applications that you have installed on your device. You can use the search box to type in and search for Steam. Once you find the Steam application, tap on the Uninstall button and you will be asked whether you are sure. Click on the Uninstall option once again, and after providing your final confirmation, the Steam application will be uninstalled from your device. After it has been removed, the shortcut and all of your account login will be removed as well. However, this will not uninstall the games that have been installed on your device. If you reinstall the Steam application once again, you will be able to log back into your original account and all of your games will be detected once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to uninstall the Steam application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.